Chair, I think we gave a report about the money.
The lawyer who was part of the team from the Uganda Land Commission, as well as the claimants who were appearing before the COSASE Committee, chaired by the Nakao West MP Joel Senyonyi, to explain how they got the money. The Auditor General raised a red flag in his 2021 report that the shillings 10.6 billion land compensation cash was illegally paid to the fabricated claimants.
He insisted on this issue because the genesis is problematic.
Daniel Mugurusi, the accounting officer at the Uganda Land Commission, told the committee that they paid Namuli shillings 2.39 billion through Lubega and Buzibira co-advocates.
It's now time to clean up that place. It is also time now to actually know where the problem has been. Like I said earlier, we have issues with brokers. I'll not call them lawyers. There are some brokers who are not lawyers, who come as individuals, and they'll come with a very clean story, as you can see, until you really dig deep.
According to the investigation by the Police Criminal Investigation Department attached to Parliament, Namuli confessed that she never received any money from the law firm since she never sold any land to government.
I met Namuli Natalia and interviewed her, but she categorically denied being an administrator of the estate of late Atwane Kalete. I further inquired from Natalia Namuli as to whether she has ever processed letters of administration as well as compensation in lieu of her land from Uganda Land Commission. In her response, she denied receiving any compensation money.
According to the findings, Kylie Lubega, who is Namuli's lawyer, has denied knowledge for the forged payment since his colleague Richard Buzibira is the one who handled the file.
My colleague who had been handling the file asked me to sign in order to pay the client, which I did. I signed, and then he went ahead and paid the client. I wasn't physically there to acknowledge the payment because it wasn't really a requirement for me to be there.
Senyonyi said the law firm forged court papers which were presented to the Land Commission to claim the money.
You people were at the same time, as a law firm, involved in forging a court order. This is serious. Letters of administration. I hope you know the gravity of this because this is a document allegedly signed by a judge. The judge has written to us denying that, number one, that's not my signature. That's Justice Ralph Chan. That's not my signature. Number two, at the time of that document being signed, I had retired. He had retired from the judiciary.
Lubega asked the committee to summon Buzibira because he has all the details since he handled the file.
When you talk of a forgery of letters of administration, I am not aware. I was never involved in procuring them. I was not involved in procuring the certificate of title. I did not sign any of those documents that you have that are before you.
I rang Natalia yesterday, and she gave me instruction to represent her here. I don't know whether you remember that. And now he is denying everything, putting it to Buzibira, who is not.
Before the hearings were adjourned, Lubega was handed over to Parliament Police. Senyonyi ordered Buzibira to appear before Parliament Police tomorrow without fail. Sarah Nakandi for CTV PM edition.
They had. Maybe they had challenges of time or whatever the case might be, because they say they went on the ground. We have gone on the ground.